Hello guys, today we're going to talk about Microsoft Surface keyboards. Now, that's the original product, Microsoft written somewhere on it, like right there. This is the connection pins there, so that connects to the tablet. When you close it, it sends the tablet to sleep. When you open it, it wakes it up. Pretty cool. Very strong magnets, so it's very easy to attach or detach. Well, not very easy to detach, but you're not breaking anything in the process. It's a good product. It's the original one. Costs about close to £100 or something, but links are going to be in the description as usual. It doesn't require Bluetooth connection or anything because again, you just use those pins over there, and it's pretty good. I like it. I've been using it for about a week or so, and it's great. Now, the other one I've got before that was a rip-off version. Now, this one is the Arteck HB216 Bluetooth keyboard for Surface Go. Now, it's good, it works, but it's just not the same. So, first issue I've got with this one, it's actually a Bluetooth keyboard, so you need to use the Bluetooth connectivity, which is first not very secure, and second drains the battery. Yes, not by much, but it still drains the battery. And then third thing, you need to charge the keyboard in order to use it, because you can see there are no pins to attach it, so you just use the magnets, just like the original one. Magnets are quite strong, so that's all right. The touch is good, no issues there. However, when you open it, it doesn't wake the tablet, and when you close it, it doesn't send it to sleep. Overall, it's okay, but it's just not the original thing. It's easy to use, the mousepad works, you have the function button and all these things over there which are accessible when you press the function button. Connection, just press the function and the C button, which is the Bluetooth connection there, press and hold, and that will get it into pairing mode. You can find it, it's very easy to connect, no issues there, but again, it's just not the same. Now the buttons, these are a bit edgy. They work, they all work, it's easy to type, but it's not the best feeling. It's not a premium feeling. It's alright, it doesn't feel cheap, but again, it's not the premium feeling you have here. And you can hear the difference in the sound. Both pretty much the same size, as they should be, because they're fitting the same tablet. Microsoft one's got the soft edges there, which is pretty cool. Soft fabric at the back. This one here got soft fabric only at the back, and it's hard plastic on the sides. So if you're looking for a cheap alternative, yeah, this one is good. It works. It will protect the tablet as well when it's closed, because it's something between anything and the screen. Magnets are strong enough. It's easy to connect, and it does the job. But you just need to use the Bluetooth connectivity and charge the keyboard before using it. I prefer this one, and I'm going to stick with it. Links for both are going to be in the description. Stay around, because next time we're going to talk about this, which is the alternative of the Microsoft Pen, much cheaper, 3 times, 4 times cheaper. I still don't know if it's good enough, but I'll find out. That will be next time. So if you want to see this, just subscribe and ask me your questions in the comment section. Now, for shooting this video, I'm using my iPhone, but I've also got this little thing there, and I'm shooting the separate footage with it, which is going to be probably uploaded as well. I don't know yet. I'll figure it out. And that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next one. Bye bye.